Okay, so I just wanted to clarify how the beef and dairy industries are connected. So, in the cycle of a calf in the dairy industry, first, right here, as you can see, this is a dairy cow, and she is bred with semen, typically from a straw. This is called artificial insemination, and the semen has been collected from a bull previously, and then it is frozen and shipped to the farm where the female dairy cows are, and then the female dairy cows are artificially inseminated by the farmer. So after that happens and the cow goes through pregnancy, she will go through parturition, which is the technical term for birth. And then she will produce a calf. So if the calf is female, she will be kept on the farm where she was born, and she will be raised into a dairy cow, just like her mother. And then when she's of age, she will be bred and then begin to produce milk. However, if the calf that this cow has is a male, it will be shipped to a different farm to be raised in what we call the dairy beef industry. This cow, this male calf, it has it is a Holstein, which is a dairy breed, so it has all the genetics of a dairy cow. However, since it's male, it's not valuable to the dairy industry. So it will be transported to a different farm and be fed a beef cow diet so that it can be raised into a steer and produce beef. So, although we typically talk about dairy and beef cattle as separate breeds and totally separate entities, they do interact in some ways, such as the dairy beef industry when a dairy cow produces a male calf. So, I just wanted to clarify that a little bit for you, and I hope you enjoyed listening to the screencast and it helped you learn a little bit more about dairy and beef animals.